Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you why is TikTok not working. So begin by closing the application completely and reopen it. So you have your TikTok opened, then close it and open it again. If the issue persists, try restarting your iPhone. So make a soft reset. Next, you should ensure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Also, you can clear TikTok's cache. So open TikTok and then go to your profile and then go to menu at the top right corner, go to settings. Here scroll down to the section cache, and here you see free up space, and here's basically my cache. Also, you can try updating TikTok application, and you can try reinstalling TikTok. So if above steps do not help you, try reinstalling the application. So firstly, delete your TikTok. Here, remove application and then go to your app store and download TikTok again. So that were the main reasons why your TikTok may not be working. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.